Good morning, everybody, children. Welcome to biology session. This is Divya. Today we are going to discuss on endoplasmic reticulum. So, what is endoplasmic reticulum? Cell consists of different cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, plastids, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuole. So one of the cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Today we are going to discuss on the structure of endoplasmic reticulum and as well as the forms of endoplasmic reticulum and functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Yeah. So the endoplasmic reticulum is nothing but it's a network of membrane throughout the cytoplasm for the transport of substances from one part of the cell to another part, children. That is known as endoplasmic reticulum. So this network creates passage within the cytoplasm for the transport of substances. Okay, so when you observe under the electron microscope, a network of membrane was observed throughout the cytoplasm. That is nothing but endoplasmic reticulum. It also does protein folding. That means it will synthesize protein. And this type of organelle is made up of two subunits. ER. ER is nothing but endoplasmic reticulum. What are the two subunits? RER, SER. RER is nothing but rough endoplasmic reticulum and SER is nothing but smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So what is the difference between RER and SER? So when you see the difference between RER and SER, rough endoplasmic reticulum consists of ribosomes, children, which helps in the synthesis of protein. Whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not contain ribosome. Okay? Yes. So this network of membrane is known as endoplasmic reticulum. So when you can see the picture here, the endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of membrane bond tubes and sheets, children. Okay, and endoplasmic reticulum membrane is similar to the structure of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is nothing but the cell membrane, outer covering of the animal cell and the second covering of plant cell, because plant consists of cell wall also. So let us see the difference between a rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As I already said you that endoplasmic reticulum may have some granule-like structures on their surface which are called ribosomes. Such parts are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Whereas areas or sections that do not have ribosomes on them, they are smooth endoplasmic reticulum, children. Okay, coming to the functions of RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is a site of protein manufacture, children, and you already know that it consists of ribosomes. And what are the functions of SER? SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids important for cell function. So the manufactured proteins and lipids are then sent to various places in the cell depending on need using endoplasmic reticulum. So some of these proteins and lipids help in building the cell membrane also. So one function of endoplasmic reticulum is to serve as channel for the transport of materials between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Okay, yeah. So and also it functions as a cytoplasmic network, I mean to say framework, providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell, children. So when you can see here, you can see some of the biochemical activities within the cell, right, in the cell. So it helps in that way also. Okay, and SER, in vertebrate liver cells, SER plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs in liver cells, vertebrates. Detoxification means it will not allow the organ to get toxified, means with poison. It will relieve from the poison, it detoxifies in the vertebrate's liver cell. Vertebrate are the organisms which contain backbone, okay, which do not contain backbone, they are known as invertebrates. Okay, children, I hope you understood the class about endoplasmic reticulum. Meet you again with another cell organelles. Thank you.